picture of it. Wait. Take a picture of it.
Good. Maybe we need to make it more glittery. Hold on. Let me see how glitter.
Let me do this first. Let me make it a better shape.
Let me see. We can make it more glittery.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put more glitter. Go. Good. Anything?
Wait.
Hold on. Look, he's just gonna have to mix it. What? What happened? Ooh, looks so shiny and sprinkly.
Okay, now should I do it?
Okay, go.
Oh yeah, it's showing a little. Yeah, there.
Is it showing?
No, not really.
Because it's so much. That's why.
I know.
Should we just put all the glitters?
Yeah. Mix them up.
So now we were putting the yellow. Yeah, okay, do it. There we go. Ew. That one looks like an egg. Because it's yellow. Yeah. Hey.
I don't think the camera can probably see it.
No, I have to zoom in. Alright, can you see it now? Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Don't move it. Don't move it. Don't move it.
Let me go from here.
Hold on.
Wait.
Ah.
Wait.
Okay, let me see. Don't move it. Don't move it.
Yeah, you could see some. Yeah.
Yeah, you could see. But still not glittery yet.
Yeah. What if we put all of the other ones at once?
Yeah, let's do that. Orange glitter. Yeah, put all of it.
Now green.
Here. Just throw it more in the middle. Okay, now that's it. Carlitos, what are you doing? Go.
From here, I like the purple the most. I like pink, but I used it all, so.
Mhm.
Ooh, 60. And one. Oh, that noise. Well, you can see it now.
A ver, don't move it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move it. Actually, I don't see that much. Hold on.
See, it looks like a donut.
Oh yeah, there you go. I see.
When life gives you donuts, make slime with it.
Yeah.
I mean, when life gives donuts, when life gives you slime, play with it.
A ver.
No, stop. Whatever, I don't care.
Now you're putting shaving cream for what?
So I can make it less stickier. It's
Oh.
really sticky. See, look.
A ver, no, do it. Mix it. And it's gonna become less sticky.
Yeah. Last time, the other day, I made some and it was really sticky. So that I put shaving cream to make it fluffy. And then it just became sticky. It's my secret ingredient too. It's still a little sticky. Color 2. Color 2.
Hmm?
2.
It's okay.
No, not the time.
I'm sorry.
Color 2. 2 color 2.
Okay. A ver qué.
2.
Mhm.
2. No, okay. No.
Tiene, ouch, a ver. ¿Qué tiene?
Tiene ouchie.
Ay, tiene, ¿dónde tiene el ouchie?